Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is hopefully going to be the first of many videos where I show you guys my portfolio. We've got a mix of dividend generating stocks and growth stocks. So it's always nice to have a good balance, because you don't want to miss out on big money making opportunities, but it's always good to have a steady stream of passive income. My portfolio is mostly about generating passive income. Um, but like I said, we don't want to miss out on these really big, especially now that we're in a new decade, potentially large um, growth potentials. Um, so my channel will mostly be about my investment strategy, the particular stocks that I buy into or choose not to buy into, research that I've done on those stocks. So I'm not just telling you guys what to buy and what not to buy. I'm actually giving you guys my reasonings for buying these stocks. You guys don't have to agree with me. Feel free to disagree with me in the comments if you want to. It's always good to discuss and bounce ideas off each other. Um, as well as general financial discussions about the news, particular financial events that might be going on at the time, things that may or may not have a large impact on the markets at the time. Um, but yeah, this is just going to be an introductory video today, so no in-depth discussions about any uh, buy or sell orders. I don't really have any for this coming week. It's currently the Valentine's Day weekend. Happy Valentine's Day to all the couples and singles out there. Try not to spend too much money. We've got to save some for the stocks that we want to buy. Um, so just moving on to the Google Sheets that I've set up here is just a overview of my dividend growth over the past year and 3 months. As you can see, it's really started to ramp up in the middle of last year, which is when I did most of my buying. If we switch over to my histories tab, I've got a separate Google Sheets for this one. So as you can see, I made my first deposit at the end of 2019, but I didn't really start to buy the bulk of my portfolio until the first 3 months of 2020, which happened to be a bit of a good thing because, as we know, the pandemic really hit and we had the March crash. Um, and yeah, so over time we've been buying stocks, selling a few stocks that haven't really been performing as well as I'd hoped, but mostly just buying and holding over the next 5 to 20 years. Um, watching the dividends grow over time and just continue to roll in. As you can see, quite a few dividends being rolled in. Um, so here's my eToro brokerage account. I have currently 44 listings at the moment. Some might say this is a little bit over diversified. Lately I've been beginning to agree. But I prefer personally to have a wide variety of dividend generating streams, increasing those positions over time and adding to our passive income generation. Um, moving back onto the sheet, we have a breakdown pie of my entire portfolio. I'm going to add more detail. This is a new sheet, so I'm going to be fleshing this one out hopefully by the time the next video rolls out. And here is my positions. Just using Google Finance to collect the data. a list of all my shares broken down into very large decimal places, thanks to fractional shares. And the average purchase price, the price that it's currently sitting at the moment, daily change in percentage, in dollars, cost, all values are in US dollars. I, however, live in Australia, so I use the good old Aussie dollars for my daily use. But when it comes to you guys watching, I'll be discussing everything in US dollars to make it easier for everyone. So yeah, the cost in US dollars, the value that it's currently sitting at, gains over time, and in percentage and in dollars as well. So thanks guys for watching. Like I said, this was just going to be a short introductory video. I kind of rambled on a little bit because I do get quite passionate about these things. But hopefully we're going to have a very successful 2021 and moving forward over the next 20 years. But yeah, thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.